We're gathered here today to present our conclusion based on the material that was available to us like articles, case studies, and videos. I am Paula.
I'm Milena.
I am Ariane.
And I am Elizabete.
Our team has both law and international relations students, all second years undergraduates. First and foremost, we'd like to thank the university for the opportunity to participate in this project. Learn about a subject very much untouched in the curriculum of our majors, and the opportunity to get our first international degree. Our group understands how important the use of solar and other renewable energies are to today's world and the present situation of our environment.
This was a 4-module project with weekly meetings under the advisement of Professor Sergio Itamar. The first part of the research showed the introduction of Mr. Olmos to the solar energy systems and the segmentation of this market, supported by the economical incentives from the European Union, leading the way to a new set of opportunities like starting a company. Going forward on the research, we analyzed the parts that made the whole, like the operational side of the renewable energy system that included devices which are used to convert energy from sunlight to electric, and how much investment would be necessary to install something alike in your own house. Module 3 analyzes the adoption of the feed-in system, of the feed-in tariff, and the benefits that it brings, like decreasing the cost of PV energy. Also, how the Sankugat house is only connected to the grid to receive power and not to supply it. A very crucial part would be to understand how this affects the owner on the economical level, and some other factors like seasonality of the consumption for storage purposes. After studying about how much it costs to implement such systems and develop an electrically sustainable house, we finalized the project, analyzing how this could bring you profit and how the currently world tendencies can influence both in pricing and availability to the people.
Turning our attention to Brazil, we learned, based on the research, that solar energy is already at use here in the north and the northeast parts of the country because the electrical grid provided by the government can reach these more remote areas, also based on our climate and the amount of the days of sun it typically have. Solar energy is a win-win situation for both the future of the environment and economical purpose, further discussed in their paper, along with some incentives the government gives to the development of this technology.
Again, we would like to thank the university and the professors involved in the project for this opportunity and say that we are glad we were a part of it. Obrigada e até logo. Gracias, hasta luego.